There are hundreds of commuter e-bikes to choose from in the market, but if you are looking for one without spending hours on the internet, here we have picked 10 of the best electric commuter bikes to buy in 2023. So let's get started. The Story Electric Road Bike is a top-of-the-line electric bike that is designed for perfect city commuting and leisure rides. Its sleek and uber-cool looks will turn heads on the roads, while its retro design will take you back in time. The bike is powered by a highly efficient 350-watt brushless geared rear hub motor that is well corroborated by a 36-volt Samsung lithium-ion battery. The bike's frame is lightweight aluminum, making it easy to handle and effortless to maneuver. More importantly, the weight doesn't feel like a punishment for riding longer distances. Moreover, its frame is nicely implemented with a well-designed geometry for a comfortable and upright riding position. GoCycle G4i is an ideal premium electric bike, perfect for commuting, and can be folded in half. It's inspired by McLaren and features rider-focused technology. The G4i is the successor of previous GoCycle bikes that impressed many users with their smooth power delivery and assistance. Being fast is a priority for this folding electric bike, and it packs a front hub G4 motor, which can produce immense power. Lastly, its weight of just 38 pounds is very light, making the bike easy to manage when folded and better performing. Take the next step to connect your G4i with GoCycle's intuitive app and tweak its performance settings according to the individual's profile. The Cowboy C4 is a futuristic and agile bike that's perfect to accompany you through thrilling turns, exciting roads, and endless traffic. Cowboy ditched the old chain to bring the new generation Gates Carbon belt drive, which results in more efficient delivery and smooth gear shifting. The 47mm Cowboy puncture-resistant tires with a puncture protection layer ensures riders always have an excellent grip no matter what surface type, even in bad weather conditions. At the same time, the aluminum 6061 frame keeps the bike robust for years, but surprisingly very light for everyday usage. Lastly, the integrated app comes with endless customization to enhance riding pleasure. Orbea is one of the world's oldest, most well-known performance bike manufacturers. With a Vibe H10, they've introduced themselves as a premium brand in the urban mobility section. Even from the frame, anyone can tell how premium the Vibe H10 is because of the 6061 hydrofoam aluminum constructed frame that comes in 4 distinct sizes. As a result, this frame benefits from being incredibly lightweight at 35 pounds, which is impressive durability. Inside the frame, there's an integrated MOLLE 248 watt-hour battery. This is an excellent choice keeping the idea of urban mobility in mind, as the battery gives a range of 60+ miles, which is truly amazing for the city. At the same time, the dynamic MOLLE X35 Plus motor offers adequate power and support to travel around town. Now the Tatamel bike is here to change the definition and how you would look at folding bikes. This is already a compact, nimble bike, but when folded it becomes even smaller and can be easily fitted anywhere without an issue. This cute little e-bike is made for a single person commuting with Japanese craftsmanship throughout the body and beyond. In fact, it's so subtle that when folded, it looks like a simple cardboard box. But on roads, the Ikoma does all the basics right with a top speed of 30 kilometers and takes just 3 hours to charge the battery. Lastly, a customizable side panel unlocks the boundaries of innovation. You need a break from the MTBs, and now it's time to tame the streets. eVaults is the answer you were looking for. It is an extremely versatile bike that can handle the busy city, but when it's time to show the speed, the eVault never shies away from doing that. Its intuitive handling is sharp to respond to quick turns through traffic, while wide tires provide more grip and clearance. The performance of this bike comes from one of the lightest and flagship Fazua Evation drivetrains with a smart battery system of 252 watt-hour to support the drive unit. Lastly, the ISOFlex technology ensures a smooth and comfortable ride by soaking up harsh bumps and potholes. Ladies and gentlemen, rev up your engines and get ready to experience the future of biking with the Velotric Thunder 1. From its integrated battery to its clean, elegant design, the Thunder One is engineered to shift your perspective and elevate your everyday riding experience to new heights. Don't be fooled by its minimalist appearance. The Thunder One packs a serious punch. Powered by VeloPower E35 Plus and equipped with a torque sensor, this smart bike delivers a smooth, silent ride. With a range of up to 70 miles and a top speed of 20 miles per hour, the Thunder One is a true powerhouse that will take you wherever you need to go, whether you're cruising around the city or exploring the great outdoors. But it isn't just about power, it's also about intelligence. With a Velotric app, you can customize your riding experience with features like anti-theft alert, keyless unlock, ride customization, and much more. Additionally, with the Smart Plus hub and GPS tracking, you can rest easy knowing that your Thunder One is always safe and secure no matter where you are. However, what really sets Thunder One apart is its attention to detail. From the ambient light sensing headlights to the hydroformed aluminum frame and other quality components, every aspect of the smart bike has been meticulously crafted to deliver the ultimate riding experience. It also features internal wiring, built-in electronic sensors, and a control panel that allows for fingerprint unlock. So whether you're a seasoned cyclist or a newbie looking to explore the world of e-bikes, the Velotric Thunder One is a perfect choice for anyone who wants to ride smarter. Now we all have heard about these tiny and mighty electric bikes, and rightfully so. The XP3 is their latest release that takes the franchise even further. Keeping the basics to the core, XP3 is the most practical and agile folding e-bike you can get right now. Carrying on from its previous Geist, more maneuverable, lighter and compact. When folded, the bike dramatically becomes half of its size, saving both struggle and storage. XP3's 5-level pedal assist can cover a long range of up to 25 miles, and it's perfect for riders always on the go. Tired of the same old boring commutes? Say hello to the Obarter T5, the latest and greatest addition to the world of electric scooters that will allow you to zip through traffic and leave you feeling like you're riding on a cloud. First things first, let's talk about the design. The Obarter G5 is a sleek, stylish ride with 12-inch on-road fat tires that make it a breeze to navigate even the bumpiest of roads. And the best part? The battery is removable, making it super convenient to charge up and get back on the road in no time. Speaking of charging, the 5-amp fast charger ensures that you won't be left waiting for hours on end for your ride to power up. Now let's get to the heart of the matter. The 5,000-watt dual motor gives it a top speed of 43 miles per hour. And with a range of around 74 miles, you'll be able to ride long distances without worry. But don't take our word for it. The big screen up front shows your speed, distance traveled, battery life, and more, so you can keep track of your ride in real time. Moreover, the two big front lights ensure that you'll be seen from a distance, and the turn signal and brake light at the back make sure that you're always visible to other drivers. Besides, if you're worried about comfort, fear not. The 3 hydraulic suspensions, 2 at the back and 1 at the front, make for a smooth ride that'll leave you feeling like you're floating on air. And finally, the cherry on top, the Obarter D5 can be folded easily with its overlapping fold system, making it a breeze to store and transport. So whether you're commuting to work, running errands around town, or just taking a leisurely ride, the Obarter D5 5,000-watt electric scooter is the perfect ride for you. Last but not least, we have the Daily Tour E+3, another well-established commuter on this list. The bike is designed only taking the busy urban life in mind, a practical option for all the daily commuting and weekend adventures. And for that, this bike has an impeccable range of 68 miles, ideally adjusting wind resistance, cargo, and riding profile. The field is well backed by a super efficient Energy Pack 500 watt-hour battery that doesn't use tricky weather conditions as an excuse for its performance. Moreover, Giant's own hybrid sealing technology is used here, which intelligently combines electric power with manual pedaling to produce an intelligent, natural, and powerful e-bike riding experience. In fact, this system is integrated with other programs such as Ride Control Control, Energy Pack battery, and Sync Drive motor systems for a more refined riding experience. So that concludes our list of 10 electric commuter bikes to buy in 2023. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.